Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by clearing the wall and exposing a clean, flat surface. This prevents lumps and adhesion failures. Once done, measure the wall height and add allowances for trimming, then cut the first few strips. Matching pattern repeat so seams align. Make the paste exactly as the manufacturer recommends, because over or undermixing changes open time. Apply either to the paper or the wall depending on product, and allow the recommended soak time so the adhesive activates. You now transfer the prepared strip to the wall, aligning with a plumb line so the pattern stays true across the room. Once the top is set, smooth from the center outward using a plastic smoother to push bubbles and surplus paste toward the edges. This avoids ruined seams. Make sure seams meet pattern to pattern without stretching. Trim the top and bottom with a sharp blade against a straight edge. If strips butt together, but don't overlap, unless the paper is designed for overlap. You finish by wiping off excess paste immediately with a damp sponge so it won't dry and stain the surface. Make sure to dab gently along seams. Once dry, inspect seams and edges. If a seam lifts, inject adhesive behind it with a seam roller or syringe and press back, because trapped air or missing adhesive causes failure. If you find trapped bubbles, either lift and refloat the strip or make a tiny vent cut. Insert a little paste, then press and smooth. This saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.